Good evening, everybody. It's Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Thanks for logging on to KEZI.com for your Monday evening webcast. We're starting to see a big melt-off of all of the snow and ice. That's the good news, but the big concern that we'll look as we transition into the next couple of days here will be the possibility of adding some additional rainfall, possibly 1 to 2 inches, and that could mean some localized flooding concerns as well. That's kind of where we're going to be shifting here in the Weather Center. So let's go outside and show you what we've got right now. The big issue that we're dealing with this evening is the possibility of some dense fog. Visibility in Corvallis at around 1/10 of a mile, just above that, and about 3/4 of a mile in Eugene. Now, some of the roadways still have tree limbs and whatnot there, so certainly take it easy out there tonight. No problems out from Bend, North Bend, Roseburg. About a half-mile visibility as you get out towards the Central Coast. Temperatures have been slowly rising the last couple of hours, sitting at right around 41 degrees in Corvallis, 49 in Cottage Grove, low 50s as you get down towards the Umpqua, upper 30s in Bend and Sun River, and upper 40s. So all that snow and ice that fell will continue to melt over the next couple of days. So here's what it looks like on the live Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep at this point. We've got our first front moving on through, mainly bringing some light scattered showers up across Portland and see out towards Agate Beach, up to Tillamook, some heavier amounts moving their way across portions of the Coast Range. Let me zoom out and put her into motion here. The front itself is north of Vancouver Island, and so that will push most of this first storm up into western Washington. However, if we zoom out even further, you can see we've got a lot of activity out over the Pacific, and so we'll see sort of 2 or 3 different storms all pulling in some subtropical moisture, and that's all headed our way over the next couple of days. So we will be adding some decent rain chances to this. For tonight, we'll see dense fog. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s to low to mid-40s, so everybody above freezing in the next 48 hours sort of shake out like this tomorrow morning. Again, still looking at most of the rain chances to the north of us, and then we start to see the first big wave come through right around dinner time. That will make for a very messy commute, probably fairly soggy and slushy through Wednesday morning and continue on through Wednesday afternoon as well. We'll see a couple more of those move through Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend too. As we said, we could be looking at some possibility of localized flooding. We'll continue to watch that scenario here in the Weather Center and keep you updated as well. If you want to check out the temperatures, your 7-day forecast where you live, just click on over to the weather page or look right above here at the weather page as well. That'll have our 7-day forecast, and I'll be back on KZI 9 News tonight at 11 with the latest modeling information that we have for the storms coming in this week. So stay safe, have yourselves a great Monday evening, and thanks again for logging on to KZI.com.